Okay, Wednesday the 19th. Clear. Light wind. Altimeter 3014, 6033. Wednesday traffic, Ultralight 07, Romeo Echo, taking off runway 32, Wednesday.
Check CHT temps above 200F. Smoothly advance to full throttle. Check that RPM is as expected, approximately 6,300 to 6,500. Monitor airspeed. Tail wheel will come up 20 miles per hour. You can push the stick forward to get the tail up quicker. Take off at approximately 35 miles per hour. Accelerate to 45 plus mph, then climb out. Climb out 45 to 50 miles per hour. Reduce the throttle to bring the RPM down to about 6,000 revolutions per minute and continue the climb out. Cruise settings 5,600 revolutions per minute, 45 to 50 miles per hour, fuel flow approximately 2.5 GPH. Ground adjustable elevator trim provides hands-free flight.
Traffic Ultralight 07, Romeo Echo, going to cross over midfield for Henry, left downwind. Wednesday traffic Ultralight 07, Romeo Echo, turning left downwind 1.832, Wednesday.
Downwind descend to 800 feet AGL. Short final. Speed 45 to 50 miles per hour, fairly steep descent. Keep a little power on through touchdown, level off just above the runway. Settle on the main wheels and slowly lower the tail wheel.